friends, time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened gap down today and was trading with a negative bias throughout the day. After hitting a low of 81.44, 81.50 around that level, the Nifty did see a sharp bounce back. However, towards the end of the day, it managed to close the day on a negative note, down 58 points. The market was also negative with 696 advances to 775 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, HDFC, ITC, Tata Motors, M&M, L&T, Dr. Reddy's were some of the stocks which tracked the Nifty today, while Reliance, Lupin, BHEL, Axis Bank, Cipla managed to close the day on a positive note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in a negative. However, we can observe that when connecting the previous two swing lows, we get a crucial support trend line, or we can say a neckline of this, possibly a head and shoulders pattern, and the Nifty has taken support exactly at around that level. So it is very much possible that we might see a retracement in the coming trading sessions. However, that needs to be confirmed with a price pattern or a daily positive close. The fact that today we have closed in a negative, there is no trend reversal pattern as of now, so we continue to maintain our negative stance on Nifty for a target of 8,000. However, the coming few trading sessions shall be very crucial, as the Nifty has reached a very crucial juncture. If the Nifty has to bounce back or for a short period of time reverse its trend, then this is a point where the Nifty might just do that, and so hence we advise our traders to be cautious on the short side. Until and unless we get a trend reversal confirmation, we continue to maintain our negative stance on Nifty. On the RV charts, we can observe that the Nifty held around that crucial trend line support. The hourly momentum indicator is bearing multiple positive divergences. So that indicates that the Nifty is in for a bounce. However, that has to be confirmed with a daily positive close. So until we get a daily positive close, the trend on the downside is open. Once we get a daily positive close, the low of that day can be used as a stop loss to initiate long positions. So cautious is the advice at this level, and possibly a retracement is on the cards for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has also reached a very crucial juncture. In the previous rise, we saw that it faced resistance at the 20-day moving average. Currently, it is exactly at the 20-day moving average. However, we don't have any type of a daily negative close. In fact, today the Bank Nifty has closed in the positive. So that indicates that only a handful number of stocks which are heavyweights of the Nifty are dragging the Nifty. However, the Bank Nifty is not confirming the same. It is very much possible that there is a divergence in play between Nifty and Bank Nifty. So these are some of the indicators which are telling us that the Nifty might be in for a retracement in the coming trading session. However, all of these assumptions have to be confirmed with a daily positive close on the Nifty. So until and unless all these things happen, we continue to maintain a negative stance both on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 81.44, which is today's low, and below that 8100. On the upside, 8225 and 8276, which are at 20 and 40. Hourly moving averages are crucial resistances for Nifty. For the Bank Nifty, 18,550 and 18,900 shall act as crucial resistances, and 18,163 and 17,770 are crucial supports. So that's all for the day. Thank you.